Hey guys, we back with another hair tutorial. Okay, so today we're gonna do crochet braids. Yeah, we're gonna do crochet braids. I haven't did crochet braids before. I always do like the locks, so this is different. This is goddess crochet braids. So I will leave everything that I am using down below so you guys can check it out. But for right now, I want to show y'all a little one-on-one. I want to give you a little one-on-one. I know some may know this and some may not, so I'm going to tell you for the ones that don't. When you're using a crochet needle, you have to use it right because it will hurt. It will snag and pull on your hair. And no, one step. Leg down. See this little leggy situation. The little leggy. Right? The leg, okay. Looks like my nails is dirty. We're gonna have to get that together after I do my nails. I mean my hair. Okay, so yeah, leggy down. Push up. And if you are hooking, I done messed up. Okay, boom. If you hooking hair, this is what you would do. You will hook it. Then you will make sure this is up and you will pull it through. And that way it won't snag on your hair. But if this is down, when you are pulling down, ouchie wawa, it will hurt. Okay? So I do want to show y'all the format that I did. So with this, these are, you can use rubber bands or you don't have to use rubber bands. But the trick to this hairstyle is to box them so that they look like they individuals. Okay, so once you do that, for me, in my hair, because my hair is like a little frizzy, it's puffy. So what you want to do, if your hair is puffy like mine's and you want it more pristine and neat, what I did was I braided. So once you gather hair from here, you braid this hair, then you pull it back, you braid, then you pull it back like that. So that's what I did. And the rubber band methods is optional. I just like them because I just like them. Okay? And so once you do that throughout the whole front of your hair, get those box methods in. You want to braid them. You want to braid it like straight back and yeah, like that. So that is my foundation. And if you want me to get truly we back. Y'all see it? She's cute. She's long. Okay. So now we're gonna do this side. And like I told you guys, gotta be careful with this. So we're gonna open her. Open is good. When you're pulling down, you have to close it. So when you're pulling down, just close. Alright, so now I'm gonna go through. Hope you guys can see. Boom. Then I'm gonna take the hair that has the hoops, put this up, pull her down. And just like that, she is on. And then we're just gonna open her up and put the braid through. And then we're just gonna pull. Now, I will say that I don't completely love this because it's so soft on the top. So like you gotta Maybe it's just me, but I don't know. That's my only thing. It's so soft, so when you pull, it doesn't like give you a real tight. This one is giving tight, so my theory is not working, and you guys don't think I'm crazy. I gotta turn this fan on. I'm freaking hot. Okay, let's do this again. Is the hook down right now, or should it be up? I can't hear you. Down or up? Down. Good job. All right, so now we're gonna go to the next box. So I gotta put some more jam right here so I could define it more. But then boom, and we just do the same thing over and over. Make sure we hook the hair. Make sure we put this up, and then we pull through. Open up the hair, put the hair through the hoop, and then we pull. Boom. My crochet needle fell. Give me a second. Okay, let's do it again. Now I used how many packs I used? I'll let you know I'll let you know down below how much I used. This hair is everywhere. Okay, so now we're just gonna go to the last hoop. The last box. And we're just going to put that in. Down. And I can't see, so I'm gonna look in my mirror. And then boom. Hopefully I can zoom in while I do this, and then y'all can see it better. Pull it. Now you will need, because I still have a little bit of hair that is see, that piece is need one, and I'm debating because I have one piece left, so I don't really think I'm going to put it here. I'll just cover it here. But the back is still, I still need to I probably need 2 more packs, 3 more packs, but it's not finished, but you can't tell. So I'm just gonna put this in the back. But this is basically the finished product. I'm going to do my edges, and then yeah, I'm gonna do my edges. I'm gonna show you different styles, and then yeah. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Like I said, if you guys want like really in-depth tutorials, or tutorials with me talking instead of like fast forwarding process, then just let me know, and I'll gladly do that for you. But I don't know, what people want, so I'm just gonna do what I want for right now until people may give me some suggestions. It looks like I see the box. The box gives it the illusion that I've been sitting here for hours, and I haven't. So I'm gonna let y'all see the back. Hopefully y'all can't see the undone part, because honestly, if no one can see the undone part, I won't get no more hair. But I think I'm gonna get more hair because I just feel weird. Oh, sorry. Okay, can y'all see it? All right, she's cute. She's taking it. She's so great. All right. So I'm going to style this hair, and then you guys are going to see. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.